Hey there.
Hey.
Well, what's this video about?
We leave New York City.
Yep.
We go to Atlantic Highlands and around Sandy Hook. We end up in Atlantic City because of bad weather. Then we go to Cape May.
Yep.
Then we see dolphins.
Yep.
We see lots of jellyfish.
Yes.
I have a cormorant fly into the side of my head while we're sailing.
Yep.
That's towards, 3/4 of the way through. Then we hit a bad storm where we had 40 knot winds and 5-foot seas. Kind of got caught in that with our pants down.
So you want to stick around and listen to me and how many I don't knows I say?
Yeah,
and how brave
she didn't
I
know
was?
what to do. That's my guess. But she was brave. We made it through it.
Yep.
No damage.
So how long ago was that? Like, we haven't posted in quite some time.
That was over a month ago.
Yeah.
That was back.
So we got a little catching up to do.
Yeah, we got a couple videos that'll be coming out in the next week.
Alright. Oh, who's that? Look in the background.
Who's
No, in
this?
the background, right there. Look, look.
Oh, it's our friends. We'll meet them. Well, you'll meet them eventually. Once we get to that. I don't think we filmed anything with them yet, but we will.
We will.
Good friends.
Alright, well,
Yeah.
that's it for now.
Alright.
Watch the video, like, subscribe, do all that stuff.
Yeah, hit like.
Share it with people.
Share it. Yeah, if you know people that are into boating or sailing or even just traveling and, living life to the fullest.
Do it.
Let them know.
Alright.
Alright.
Bye.
Peace.
Here we are, headed past the Statue of Liberty again.
Third time's a charm.
Where is she? There she is. A little closer this time. And hopefully this will be the last time this year that we go past the Statue of Liberty. Say hi, Chris.
Hey.
Where are we off to?
Atlantic Highlands.
Atlantic Highlands. And when we leave there, then where?
Sandy Hook Harbor.
And next,
Cape May.
how long will that take?
22 to 26 hours, depending on the wind.
Well, that'll be fun. Hope you get your beauty rest, because I'll be sleeping. You get to drive.
Yeah.
Probably not. Anyways, we'll check back in later. I don't know if you can actually see just how busy this harbor is. Like, everywhere you look, there is a boat, or a barge,
Or a ferry.
or a ferry.
Or a fisherman.
Not so much fishermen,
Sheriff.
but
Coast Guard. Homeland Security.
there's a big cruise ship out there. Very busy. In case anyone was wondering, yes, I do get seasick. And today is the perfect day to get seasick. We're in the ocean. Chris's first time in the ocean sailing.
Motoring.
Whatever. On a sailboat.
Yes.
How's it feel, Captain?
I like it. A little wavy today, but.
You really, it just doesn't do it justice. The film. Getting into crappy weather again. We're just gonna plow through it. We got about an hour to go before we get to where we're going to anchor for the night. It's probably going to be rough. It's not the best weather, but meh.
That's what it is.
After a restless night of rain in Atlantic Highlands, we pressed on along the Jersey shoreline, headed towards Cape May, a 25-hour transit. We even got our sails up. You ready for this night?
I'm ready.
You ready? I'm not.
Jersey Shore. The next 24 hours. Downstairs, taking a little nap. We saw our first dolphins about 10 minutes ago. About 100 yards away from the boat. Pretty cool. So some people might be wondering what happens if you fall off the boat when we're going. So what we have is jack lines. The lines that run all the way up the boat. And if I want to go out on deck, take this little guy. He's attached to that little guy. I attach him. There. Walk up the boat. If I fall off, I will be dragged along with the boat. Yeah. So we got them, they run all the way up, across the bow. There's another one that goes down the other side, and another hook back there, hanging on the life rail, in case we need it. It's a beautiful day today. Looks like we probably won't even have to tack all day. Nice calm day today. Believe it or not, this far out from shore, we're at 35 feet deep. Would have thought the deep blue sea would be a little deeper, but that's what it is. I'm sure we'll see a lot deeper.
Hey.
Okay.
So I just want to take a second and explain the passage we did when we were headed from New York to Cape May and what happened, where, and how far it is. So where's New York? Okay, so that's where we had started.
Well, we actually started down here. That's where Atlantic Highlands is. So there's New York,
Yep.
Statue of Liberty,
Yep.
where we were.
Yep.
Sandy Hook is this point here.
Okay.
So we stayed there, went out around there,
Yeah.
out into the Atlantic.
That's where it got rough, was just when we were coming out to the Atlantic.
We were aiming to make it to here, Cape
Okay.
May.
Yeah.
At 4 in the morning, we checked the weather again, and there were supposed to be thunder showers around 7. So we went into Atlantic City,
Okay.
which was a pain in the ass at 4 o'clock in the morning when all the boats are going out to go fishing.
But we did it. And then we came out, and
Yeah.
then where'd we go? Where are we
Then
going?
from Atlantic City, we went down to Cape May, 'cause that's where we originally were planning to. You know,
Okay.
there's an anchorage there, and going from Atlantic City all the way up into Delaware City was just way too long.
Okay.
Whale, dolphin, and bird watching. You'll see a bunch of seagulls.
It's just packed. Lots of boats going through this little channel. The entrance into Cape May.
We got dolphins. Lots of them in here.
They're everywhere.
So many. Oh, I saw his eyeball. Hey, jellyfish. Right below you. Yeah, Mr. Dolphin. How's it going, Snowflake? Another jellyfish.
Maybe they're eating the jellyfishes.
Maybe. I don't know what they eat.
Seems to be a lot of them around here.
Heck yeah.
So this just happened. Cormorant just flew into our boat, hit Chris in the face.
I saw him at the last second.
We're not sure where you want to go, but go
I'll
somewhere.
sit up here and you can just chill there.
You got the wheel, Captain. That was so weird. I thought it was a fish.
Hey, buddy. Oh, careful. Careful. Easy does it. He's our cormorant friend. He just flew into the side of my face. Driving. There you go.
I don't want to grab onto him. I'm gonna get the paddle and give him a lift out.
Okay.
Here.
Hurry up. I don't want him pecking at the tube. I don't think YouTube wants to see how I'm going to deal with it in a minute.
Hold on, bud. Here,
Hey.
here.
Shh, 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 shh.
Here. Come here. Don't want to touch it. Come here. Stand on it. Come on. I'm gonna just drop him down below. Come on. I know it's not like ideal. There you go. There you go. There you go. Sorry, bud.
And he's free! That was the weirdest thing ever!
We're gonna try to get over there. That's where we were supposed to go. You know, I just don't wanna. We got trapped. trapped in the storm. We're riding it out. Chris is doing a great job. I'm scared of... We tried to avoid it, but... 22. Should we shut those off?
What?
The wind speed?
Oh, I like knowing where it's coming from.
Okay.
I can't see it over the time.
I'm gonna put up the hatches. At least 2 of them.
Go ahead.
Holy. I gotta batten down the hatches.
Okay. I got it handled up here.
Oh, I hope so, because I'm scared.
Cool as a cucumber.
Just finishing up Delaware Bay, getting up to Delaware River. Looks like there's a nuclear power plant off to the side here. We just came through a bit of a squall. Saw 40 knot winds. Basically that. A little bit of lightning, 40 knot winds, 6-7 foot waves easily. Started approaching it. We realized that if we waited a little bit, it'll pass in front of us and then we can go in behind it. So we turned around, started trying to get out of the bay, but the current was too much and we kind of sat in one spot while it hit us. And then we decided we'd turn around because the winds had shifted, and we pointed ourselves with the wind and with the waves and with the current and blasted our way right through it. And we're good now. Are we good? I think your hair's still a little wet.
A little bit.
At least the rest of you is dry. Alright, so yeah, it's been a fun day. Had the cormorant fly into my side of my head. I don't know what the hell was up with that guy. He was too busy hunting.
Trying to get away from the store.
No, I think he was looking down hunting and he wasn't paying attention to where he was flying. Right into the side of my head.
Into the side of your head.
So we got some video of that. You probably already saw it already if I put it together in a right time lapse or timeline. I don't mix them all up. So we saw dolphins, lots of dolphins, lots of jellyfish, thousands of jellyfish. Like you'd look off the side of the boat and you'd see it.
Do dolphins eat jellyfish?
Yeah, do dolphins eat jellyfish? I guess we could Google these stupid questions.
But, you know, interaction.
Yeah, leave it in the comments. What the hell do dolphins eat?
Fish.
Little fish.
Fish.
They do it Marineland. I was going to say, they always throw him fish, but I also know that if I throw him a beach ball, he's not going to frickin' play with it. Alright. Try and get some more video later.